All right, Professor.
Okay.
This question comes from someone you know very well. It's from Dr. Ibrahim Almojel, one of your students.
Oh, yes.
And he asks, where do you stand regarding scenario analysis?
Okay, well, I'm not sure everybody knows what scenario analysis is, but it's basically thinking of all the different ways the world might evolve and seeing how your plans would work out in each of those worlds. Now, that can be helpful, but it's very hard to capture all the different futures that might arise by just tracking through a few particular ones. The futurists have tried to summarize the future by saying a few different possible futures. But I would rather think about how each element that in this, whatever decision you think about here, might evolve and the chances of its going different ways, and then how it might go in the next time period or interval, given how it went in the first one. More of a sequentially dynamic way of the evolution of the future. And if you do it right, and I've actually had students who've worked on it, if you do it right, then if we showed you let's say you do this for a 10-year period, just to pick a number, and you saw the actual result of the first 3 years, then at that point you would still be comfortable with the chances you're assigning to different things happening in the future. In other words, it's not just taking 5 different futures and then seeing what might happen. It's a matter of seeing how your beliefs about the future would change according to the initial developments in that from now on in this world. So I'm not a big proponent of it, but it's a lot better than pretending you know what's going to happen in the future.